Okay, my fellow YouTubers, how you doing today? Finally got a camera holder. This is Chino again, trying to make your life easier. Okay, we're gonna do an injection swap on this scion this time. Scion 04 to 06. First, we take off this cover, which is pretty easy. Just take the two screws up here, which are these two. Put them here, put that. After that, we're going to go ahead and unclip all of the injectors, which I already did. And then after you do that, we're going to go ahead and unclip. Once you take the fuse out, which is FE, you go ahead and do EFI 15. You go ahead and start the car. Give it a crank, it won't start because the pressure is gone. Then you go ahead and take these 12 screws and take them off, you see, and then this pipe is going to be free. It comes out with all the injectors on it, you see, super easy. That's all you do. Then you take out one by one. Let me move this out of the way. Okay, I went ahead and took out one by one. As you can see, just took it out of the, like that. Take out one by one, just press it in, put it inside the hole. One by one. Okay, once we were able to align the fuel rail, just make sure that they're all in there. Okay, they're all inside the rail. That should be flush and that should be flush. All you do now is take the 12mm bolt, put it in there, put it in there. You see it's flush? It's flush. Take it and press it one. I try to wiggle them to see